Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Space World. Today we are going to learn about a natural phenomena called eclipse. Eclipse is a natural phenomena when a celestial body hides another celestial body. There are two types of eclipses, solar and lunar eclipse. Do you know what is solar? Sol means sun. So in the solar eclipse, the sun is hidden by the moon. Do you know how and when it happens? It happens when the sun, moon and earth are in a straight line. So, when the sun gives out rays on the earth, the moon blocks the rays. After this, the moon casts a shadow on the earth. The part of earth on which the moon's shadow is casted has the solar eclipse. The moon casts two types of shadows, umbra and penumbra. The part of the earth that has the type of shadow umbra has the total solar eclipse. The part of the earth that has the type of shadow penumbra has the partial solar eclipse. In total solar eclipse, the sun is completely hidden, whereas in partial solar eclipse, the sun is partially hidden. In a solar eclipse, there is a very important thing. You should never look at the sun directly in the solar eclipse because the sun gives out UV rays, ultraviolet rays that is dangerous to our eyes, which can cause permanent loss of sight. If you really want to see a solar eclipse, you have to wear specially designed glasses called eclipse glasses. Now let's discuss about lunar eclipse. Luna means moon. In lunar eclipse, the moon is hidden by the earth. Actually, the moon does not cast its own light on the earth. It gets the light from the sun, which is reflected by the moon on the earth in the night. So in lunar eclipse, as the earth is in between the sun and the moon cannot reflect the light. There are two types of lunar eclipses. Total lunar eclipse. This eclipse is completely different from all the eclipses. The sun casts the rays on the earth which has Vibgyor colors. All the colors except red goes into the sky. As red has more wavelength, it goes to the moon. So in the total lunar eclipse, the moon appears to be red. Now in a partial lunar eclipse, the moon is partially hidden by the earth. Thank you.